to me, cause Miss Girl, you look good, look sexy, y'all. Welcome back to the Hot Gal headquarters. Wow, anyways, let me get this video. Guys, it's me. Like, I'm here to give you the video. I want to show you guys how to make a top. It's a DIY top. It's so simple and easy. You can just do this at home, and you only need 2 supplies, just 2. So I'm just gonna jump right into this video because, you know, I look good. You look good. Anyways, guys, let me jump into this video. Before I get started, I'm going to show you guys a clip of how this top looks, and basically it's made from stockings and just cutting out. I'm going to show you guys some pictures of other examples, and we can get right into this video. Okay. So for starters, you're going to start by getting a pair of old tights. Very old tights. You can get obviously any color you like. Either way, the top is gonna look good. Then you need a pair of scissors, and that's about it. And obviously, if you do want, you can always like add in some other stuff, but that's just for another time. Okay, so you're gonna start off by cutting out this part of the tight, this white section off, like, see. I'm just gonna do a time lapse because this might take a little. What you do is you're going to put the top on from here. Yeah, basically this is how you're gonna put it on. It's gonna fit. And then for your arm, hands, there's like holes here. So what I'm gonna do, because I want okay, I'm gonna cut like sideways. I don't know if that makes sense, like from an angle basically. I'm gonna try and demonstrate from here. Don't know if I'm doing this right, but we'll see. Yeah. And then you're gonna do the other side. Wow, this side is so screwed up. I don't even know how I'm gonna do that, but it's fine. We're gonna just like just remove some of this stuff here, but other than that, yeah. So I'm gonna try on the top just so you guys can see what I'm doing. So far, this is what it looks like. Do make sure to insert, you know, some, yeah, thumb space, whatever. Next part, you want to maybe add some like detail on the arm. So you can literally just like make holes on the arm. I'll like show you guys what I mean because I don't know how to explain this.